Is it time to buy or sell Destiny Tech 100 stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Destiny Tech 100. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of October in the year 2025, our system has ranked Destiny Tech 100 as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.95. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the coming days. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a reaction back towards the lower end of the trend is anticipated, a breakout above the upper trend line at $28.54 could initially signal a slower decline and may hint at a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 31.15% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from negative 48.26% to negative 30.01%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 8.51%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 87.94% and positive 120.8% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.39 and $61.78. Our latest daily update for Destiny Tech 100 includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Destiny Tech 100 Incorporated stock price on Wednesday moving between $21.29 and $28.50. The Destiny Tech 100 Incorporated stock price gained 31.78% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 1st of October, 2025, rising from $21.30 to $28.07. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 33.87%, with a day low at $21.29 and a day high of $28.50. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but it is still up by 8.67% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and in total, 3 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 4 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $110.10 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $77.35. And the lowest price was $9.75. Currently, the price is 63.71%, or $49.28 below the 52-week high, and 73.27%, or $76.93 below the all-time high on April 8, 2024, when the price reached $105. Destiny Tech 100, DXYZ, recently announced a second quarter 2025 net asset value of $6.92 per share, an increase from $6.31 in the first quarter. The portfolio is now valued at approximately $76,800,000, indicating a notable rebound from quarter to quarter, primarily due to its investments in privately held technology companies. The fund is characterized by high concentration and sensitivity to market sentiment, with significant exposure to SpaceX and a steep expense ratio of roughly 5%. These features position DXYZ more as a trading vehicle rather than a traditional buy and hold investment. In the short term, the increase in net asset value and a narrowing discount environment for closed-end funds may support upward movement in the market price, especially as yield and growth-focused investors begin to return to niche closed-end funds. However, the heavy concentration in names closely associated with high-profile figures like Elon Musk means the stock price can fluctuate significantly based on news events, Over the long term, DXYZ's performance will depend on developments in the private technology sector and valuation cycles. Initial public offerings or acquisitions could substantially enhance the net asset value, while prolonged weakness in private markets or consistently high fees may compress returns and widen discounts, resulting in volatility and speculative behavior in the shares. Analysts have assigned Destiny Tech 100 stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Destiny Tech 100. The Destiny Tech 100 Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During any downward corrections, support is anticipated at $24.87 and $26.75. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, September 30th, 2025, and thus far it has increased by 31.78%. Further upward movement is expected until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Destiny Tech 100. Destiny Tech 100 Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $26.84. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk level is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $7.21 between its high and low, representing a 33.87% change. In the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 12.53%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Destiny Tech 100, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company or indicate that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Destiny Tech 100. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Destiny Tech 100 is at $28.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Destiny Tech 100 faces its first support level at $26.84. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Destiny Tech 100 from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 16th of July, 2025, Prasad Sohail conducted an insider sale of 380,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same day, Prasad Sohail also conducted an insider sale of 29,500 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of April, 2024, Prasad Sohail conducted another insider sale of 200,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the same date, DXYZ Inc. conducted an insider sale of 200,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 18th of March, 2024, DXYZ Inc. conducted an insider sale of 23,211 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 18 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 89.602. Overall, insiders purchased no shares and sold 1,168,422 shares in the last 18 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $26.98, reflecting a decrease of 3.9%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified just 1 day ago. Is Tech 100 stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, moving from a strong sell to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 2nd of October, we expect Tech 100 to open lower by $2.12, starting at $25.95. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.